you can use Google Maps to find a landscape image of the area in which you live by using its Street View feature. First of all, type the name of your town in the search bar, hit enter. If you're on the map version, go to satellite and find the right scale. Then go down, click on the little man here in the right, and it'll show you where Street View is available. You can get Street View on any of these lines, but perhaps the most interesting are these little circles. They're 360-degree drone views. Click on that. Use Command-Shift-4 to take a screenshot of the area, and that already produces an image that you can work with. In the foreground here, we have a river landscape with natural edges, snags, riparian vegetation. On this side, we have got the old Echuca wharf and paddle steamers, so this is a human feature. More human features are the old town here in the midground and foreground. In the background here, we've got River Red Gum Forest associated with the Campaspe River, and this is all floodplain as well. So on the right as well, River Red Gum floodplain forest. So you will notice actually in this screenshot that the only high ground is actually populated by people. The low ground is floodplain.